Welcome to the new segment of the grade 7th. We are discussing the history chapter, that is the Delhi Sultans. So today we are summarizing the whole chapter uh, of the history third chapter, the Delhi Sultans. So Delhi, in a 12th century, Delhi, it was a very important city. Now also is very important city because it is a center place of India. So everyone is attracted towards to the Delhi and they want to capture that Delhi. And here Delhi, it was ruled Hindu rulers. After that, again 5 Islamic rulers they ruled after the Hindu rulers. Those are slave dynasty. It is known another name, that is early Turkish rulers, Khalji dynasty, Tughlaq and Sayyid, and last one Lodi dynasty. After the Lodi dynasty, Mughals were captured, and in between the Suri dynasty also it was ruled by a Delhi. So how we are got the information, how we got the sources to get a Delhi Sultans, that is those days in a 12th century, the Tawariks or the Tariks, they were inscriptions, they are the maintained and they were written those documents. And they are the captured so many places. They are the made garrison towns and hinterlands, that is internal and external capturations, they are the made. And another one a topic, that is a masjid, that is constructed by the Islamic rulers, that is a place of the prayer of Muslims or Islamic rulers. And administration consolidate in between Tughlaqs and Khaljis, comparison in between them, how they are did the administration, how they are continued their soldiers and army. Here when we see these both very strong rulers of the two dynasty, that is the Khalji dynasty and Tughlaq dynasty, Alauddin Khalji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So both are well excellent rulers or kings of these different dynasties, which they are the ruled Delhi and the capture expanded the surrounding areas, and they are the maintained well organized soldiers for themselves only, for the soldiers only. They are the made separate towns. One is Siri, another one is Daulatabad. So Daulatabad, it is belonging to Tughlaqs, and Siri, it is belonging to the Khalji dynasty. And the 15th to 15th and 16th centuries also, that is Suri dynasty, they are captured Delhi, and when the Mughals were ruling Delhi. So this is a whole chapter consolidation or the summarization of these third chapter. For reference, you can refer a 7th standard history textbook. Thank you.